Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful feature on the Facebook app for PC. How to hide a group post, especially with the new update. Sometimes posts from groups can clutter your feed or just not be of interest, and knowing how to hide them can help keep your timeline clean and relevant. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, head over to your newsfeed or directly to the group where the post appeared. Scroll through until you find the post from the group that you want to hide. It could be a text update, a photo, or any content shared within that group. Now, look toward the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is the menu button for that specific post. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to the post. From the drop-down choices, find and select the one labeled Hide Post. Clicking this option tells Facebook you no longer want to see that particular post in your feed. Once you click Hide Post, Facebook will immediately remove it from your timeline. Sometimes, it might also ask for further feedback if you want to see fewer posts like that in the future, giving you more control over the content you encounter. And that's it. Just 3 simple steps. Find the post, click the 3 dots, and choose Hide Post. This new update on the Facebook app for PC has made managing what you see easier and faster than before. You no longer need to unfollow or leave a group to avoid posts you don't want to see. Instead, hiding posts gives you a quick and effective way to curate your own Facebook experience. Remember, this feature only hides that individual post. It won't block the entire group's posts. So if you want a more permanent solution, you might want to explore unfollowing the group. Thanks for watching.